we're back at it again today, and I am going to be filming my BoxyCharm unboxing. So, super excited about this video because I love BoxyCharm, and if y'all are not signed up for BoxyCharm, highly recommend it. It is a beauty once a month subscription box where you get a box of 4 to 5 full-size products sent to your door every month, and who doesn't want that? And so don't forget to click the link below to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notifications as to when I upload videos. And without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. So when you open the box, it looks like this. So this month's theme is called Vacation. You get this little thing in there, and in the back it kind of talks about everything that is in the box. And so I'm just gonna kind of pick out the first thing here, and yeah. So first thing is this vintage smoky eye brush set. The packaging is just beautiful. Let's jump in here and see what these look like. So, alrighty, so you get 3 brushes. They look like that. The first one, they have little names on them. The first one says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go. I think these are super cute. I'm excited to get new brushes. I have not bought a single brush in my collection. Either A, they've been gifts like for birthdays or holidays, or B, they've all came from subscriptions. So I never buy brushes, and I never plan on having to buy brushes, because why, when you just get them sent to you in the mail? So that's the first thing. And oh yeah, it retails for $23.50. So next up in the box is this Belle Pierre volumizing mascara. So let's see what that looks like. So the wand looks pretty nice. Here's what it looks like. It smells like mascara. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I'm always excited to get some mascara in the mail. And this retails for $20. Next up in the box, we have this blush. It's by Pretty Vulgar. Isn't that beautiful? It's pretty bright. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here. But like, when you swatch it, it looks pretty bright. But I'm just gonna blend this out with my finger, and let's see if it blends out to something that's like actually wearable. And like, look, I blended that out and it's actually looking pretty wearable. Like, I would wear that color. And I don't know about you, but packaging sucks me in, and this packaging and the shade by the way is Prim Vixen. I think that is beautiful. And then the fourth thing in the box is these eye gels. They are by the company South Main. Oh, looks like you get 3 of them. So that's exciting. Like, they could just send you 1, to send you 3. That's even better. So yeah, it says to thoroughly cleanse eye area, apply the product, leave on for 30 minutes. And then use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. Oh, that's awesome. So they send you 3 of them, and to get best results, use it 3 times. So you'll be able to see good results after using 3 of these for 3 days. That's exciting. And then the last thing, and by the way, the South Main retails for $10, the eye gels. The last thing in the box is this, looks like BoxyCharm and Pure collabed, and they made this palette. Look at those colors. Would you? Is that not beautiful? That just screams summer to me. Does it not you? I'm just gonna swatch some of these because they look beautiful. Isn't that just stunning? Absolutely stunning. I'm impressed. I can't wait to try these out. So the Pure eyeshadow palette retails for $36. So overall, the entire value of the box is always over $100, and you are paying $95 a month for the box. So basically all 5 of these products are way more expensive than if you were to buy them by themselves. So that will do it for this video, guys. Leave me a comment below if you would like to see a try on first impressions of these products, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye.